Day 1 of the sourdough starter tutorial. First thing before getting started is setting up your scale. Make sure you set it to 0 with your jar. This is called tare. If your scale doesn't have a tare, just make sure you know the weight of your jar before you start. We are now going to add 50 grams of room temperature water. Room temp is important because too hot and you will kill the good bacteria. Too cold and you will slow down the fermentation. Next, we will be adding 50 grams of whole wheat flour. Whole wheat is a crucial part here as white flour is stripped of the nutrients that the bacteria need to rise and grow bubbly. Later on, we will be doing a 50-50 whole wheat and white flour ratio once the starter has grown stronger. Set the tare back to 0 and add the honey. If using a jar, just the tip of a knife is enough or a tiny drop. Honey adds a little bit of sugar that helps the bacteria feed. Using a chopstick, fork, or spatula, mix the ingredients together until fully incorporated. You do not want any flour streaks left. This is what your mixture should look like. At this point, you can turn off the scale. Take a lid and just loosely put it on. You do not want to twist it as the bacteria in the air won't be able to reach it, resulting in no fermentation. Leave it for 24 hours.